Do you always skip breakfast because you're too busy, or grab something quick, only to feel tired and hungry again by 10 a.m.? This 7-day challenge is made for you. In just 5 minutes a day, you'll fuel your body with smart, energizing breakfasts, no sugar crash, no morning fog. Ready to feel full, focused, and fabulous all week long. Let's get started. Day 1. Banana Chia Overnight Oats. Welcome to day 1 of our Healthy Breakfast Challenge. We're starting off easy with overnight oats, the perfect choice for busy people. All you have to do is prep the night before, and by morning, breakfast is ready to go. Ingredients: 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 ripe banana, mashed, 1 cup almond or oat milk, a pinch of cinnamon or vanilla optional. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a mason jar, stir well, seal, and refrigerate overnight. Why it's great: fiber-packed oats and chia seeds keep you full for hours. Banana gives natural energy without added sugar. No sugar crash, no morning sleepiness. Quick tip: top it with walnuts or fresh strawberries in the morning for extra texture and taste. Day 2. Whole grain toast with nut butter and apple. Welcome to day 2. Today's breakfast is super quick, balanced, and made for your busiest mornings. Ingredients: 1 slice whole grain toast toasted, or not, 1 tablespoon almond or peanut butter, 1/2 apple, thinly sliced, sprinkle of flax seeds or cinnamon. Instructions: spread nut butter on toast, layer the apple slices, sprinkle seeds or cinnamon, and you're done. Why it's great: nut butter gives healthy fats to keep hunger away. Whole grain toast stabilizes blood sugar. Apple adds crunch, vitamin C, and morning alertness. Perfect for eating on the go or while jumping into Zoom meetings. Day 3. Green Energy Smoothie. On day 3, let's recharge with a super refreshing green smoothie that tastes amazing. No green flavor here. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1/2 avocado, a handful of spinach, 1 cup almond or soy milk, 1 tablespoon chia or flax seeds, a few ice cubes optional. Instructions: blend everything for 30 seconds until smooth. Pour and enjoy. Why it works: banana brings quick energy. Spinach is rich in iron and magnesium, great for focus. Avocado and seeds keep you full and satisfied. Even if you're not a veggie lover, the banana and avocado make it super creamy and tasty. Day 4. Boiled eggs and whole grain rice cakes. We're halfway through. Today's breakfast is protein-rich, low in bad carbs, and keeps you full without the fog. Ingredients: 2 boiled eggs. Can be prepped the night before. To whole grain rice cakes: 1 teaspoon hummus or nut butter, a dash of pepper, chili flakes, or parsley. Instructions: slice the eggs in half. Spread hummus or nut butter on rice cakes. Top with eggs and season to taste. Why it's awesome: eggs provide high-quality protein. Rice cakes are light, but satisfying. Healthy fats from spreads support better focus. Bonus: it's a perfect grab and go. Breakfast, no heating needed. Day 5. Greek yogurt, oats, blueberries. Good morning. Today we've got a refreshing, cool, and energizing breakfast. Perfect for hot days. Ingredients: 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup blueberries fresh or frozen, 1 tablespoon flax or pumpkin seeds, a drizzle of honey optional. Instructions: layer the yogurt in a cup or bowl, add oats, blueberries, and sprinkle seeds on top. Stir or enjoy by layers. Why it's ideal: Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics. Oats and seeds add lasting fullness. Blueberries boost brain power with antioxidants. Pro tip: make 2 to 3 jars the night before so mornings are even easier. Day 6. Banana Oatmeal Breakfast Muffin. Time for a treat. This breakfast tastes like dessert, but it's totally healthy and guilt-free. Prep these the night before. Ingredients: 2 ripe bananas, 1 cup rolled oats, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, a pinch of sea salt, 1 tablespoon honey optional. Instructions: mash the bananas, mix in all other ingredients, pour into muffin tins, and bake for 20 minutes at 180 Celsius 350 F. Store in the fridge for up to 4 days. Morning serving. Reheat for 30 seconds or enjoy cold with a plant-based milk. Why it rocks? No. Refined sugar. High in fiber and energy. Natural sweetness satisfies sugar cravings. Day 7. Banana coffee oat smoothie. Final day. And today's breakfast is food, drink, and caffeine all in one. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1/3 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup cooled black coffee, 1/2 cup plant-based milk, 1 tablespoon almond or peanut butter, a few ice cubes optional. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth. That's it. Why it's special: coffee wakes you up, oats and nut butter keep you full. Banana balances the flavor and gives it a creamy texture. Congratulations, you've completed the 7-day challenge. Pick your favorite recipes to repeat, or get creative and build your own combos from these healthy basics.